10 oldest continually operating airlines. 1. KLM Royal Dutch Airlines. Founded on October 7, 1919, KLM is the world's oldest operating airline. Its first flight occurred in 1920, connecting London and Amsterdam. KLM has maintained its original name throughout its history. 2. Avianca. Established on December 5, 1919, Avianca is Colombia's national airline. Originally named SCATA, it merged with SACO in 1940 to form Avianca. It stands as the second oldest airline still in operation. 3. Qantas. Qantas, founded on November 16, 1920, is Australia's flag carrier. The name stands for Queensland and Northern Territory Aerial Services. It's the oldest continuously operating airline in the English-speaking world. 4. Aeroflot. Established on February 3, 1923, Aeroflot is Russia's national airline. It began as de Broglie and adopted the Aeroflot name in 1932. Aeroflot has been a significant player in global aviation. 5. Czech Airlines. Founded on October 6, 1923, Czech Airlines is the national carrier of the Czech Republic. It initially operated domestic flights and expanded internationally in 1930. The airline has maintained operations under various political regimes. 6. Finnair. Established on November 1, 1923, Finnair is Finland's flag carrier. It began operations in 1924 with flights between Helsinki and Tallinn. Finnair is among the world's oldest airlines still in operation. 7. Delta Air Lines. Delta Air Lines was founded on March 2, 1925, as Huff Dalen Dusters. It commenced passenger services in 1929 and is the oldest operating U.S. airline. Delta has grown into one of the world's largest carriers. 8. Tajik Air. Established in 1924, Tajik Air is the national airline of Tajikistan. It began operations with flights connecting Bokhara and Dushanbe. The airline has played a crucial role in regional connectivity. 9. LOT Polish Airlines. Founded on December 29, 1928, LOT is Poland's flag carrier. It commenced operations on January 1, 1929, with domestic flights. LOT has expanded its network across Europe and beyond. 10. Iberia. Established on June 28, 1927, Iberia is Spain's national airline. It began operations later that year with flights between Madrid and Barcelona. Iberia has been instrumental in connecting Spain with Latin America.